का जा रहा है 3 मंथ्स में अगर आप 4 kg लूज कर रहे हो बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है आपका. ओके,
It's in plank position. Now for a plank position, you need to make sure that your palms.
जिन्होंने कभी वर्कआउट नहीं किया है, I would suggest you to close your camera, sit down and watch me carefully because today's session is going to be heavy for you guys. Cool everyone? All right. Last time I'm telling this. Next time I can remove you. ध्यान रखना. Cool everyone? So ध्यान रखना. In a warm up, you prepare your body. Ladies, you are all strong. आप में से कई mothers हैं यहाँ पे. Okay? कई बंदियां जॉब करती हैं, अपना घर चला रही हैं. You are strong enough. Physically, mentally you all are strong. Physically आपको दिखाने की बस जरूरत है और कुछ नहीं. Alright? So अपने आप को gear up कीजिए. It will be fine. Cool everyone? Alright. चलो. Now let's just have some breath work done. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. Exhale. आराम से करो. Inhale. Good job. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good job. Relax yourself. Relax. Alright? चलो guys. Now अब हमको सब चीजें समझते हैं. अगर नींद आ रही है जाके पानी पी लीजिए, मुंह धो के आ जाइए because you have to listen to me what I'm saying now. Okay? So first thing first, I want to tell you how you will be doing these exercises. Now today we are incorporating 2 new exercises. Okay? two new exercises जो सबके लिए ही नए हैं. Alright? Maybe आपने बहुत पहले मेरे साथ कर चुका होगा लेकिन अभी मैंने किसी के साथ नहीं किया. Alright? So make sure that whatever you do as per your requirement and your range of motion. Okay? आपने अपने हिसाब से अपने वर्कआउट करना है. Okay? I will be here to motivate you. I will be here to tell you everything. I will be here to make sure that you guys are doing it correctly. Or if you will be needing any help, I will tell you. Cool? But just because counting is moving on, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि एकदम ही slow हो जाए, एकदम fast हो जाए. Today's session will be all about the movement which will be requiring your slow pace to medium pace. Alright? तो fast pace नहीं करना है since it's not an HIIT or a Tabata class. Alright? Go normal. Focus on your body, how your body is acting, how your body is being, set during the time, and then as per that हम करेंगे. Cool everyone? जिन्होंने कभी workout नहीं किया है, I would suggest you to close your camera, sit down and watch me carefully because today's session is going to be heavy for you guys. Cool everyone? Alright? खड़े हो जाइए babies, खड़े हो जाइए please. Alright? चलिए. Now, we will be adjusting our body and we will be maintaining our posture now. Alright? So please be at your position so that we can proceed with that. Old people, आपको ये concept already पता है. New people, please ध्यान दीजिएगा. Okay? Because for you, it's something new. Can you hear me everyone properly? Am I audible and visible to everyone? Perfect. Nice. Alright? So, always remember, for doing any exercise, you need to maintain your body and you need to maintain your posture. Cool everyone? You already know it. जो पुराने लोग हैं आज, आपको already पता है कि कैसा क्या होने वाला है. New people, but you have to do it properly, okay? Listen to me new people and follow through. Old people, I will be looking at your core engagement today. And I can see and I can judge who are engaging their core and who are not. So please do it wisely, okay? Now guys, stand straight so that you can manage your body. Alright? Please make sure that you are visible from top to bottom to me. I should see your legs as well. Make sure of it, okay? Now, you have to manage your body from top to bottom. Starting up with your head. Need to keep your head straight and stable. Puja and Lola, position now. Okay? Head like this. Alright? You have to make sure that from behind your neck is supposed to be straight. आपका neck सीधा होना चाहिए. Alright? So keep it like this so that you can manage your body accordingly. Alright? Now, keep your head stable, head straight. Do not keep your head like this. Otherwise, this will create a crunchy process. तो ये अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. पीछे से आपका neck straight. Okay? Now coming down to the shoulders, darling. Keep your shoulders down and retract. Okay? जितना down, उतना अच्छा. Right? Never slouch yourself or overextend yourself. Do not do it. Why? Because there is no point. If you will keep your body as stable as possible, that will be giving you the proper resistance for your workout. Loud and clear to everyone. समझ आ रहा है सबको? I will be speaking both in Hindi and English so that everyone can understand. Cool everyone? हाँ या ना? Say it. Yes. हाथ दिखाओ वैसे. so that I can see you. आप सब मेरे लिए मिनिएचर हो right now. So दूर से मैं इतना ही देख पाऊंगी, ठीक है? Thank you. Now, shoulders down and relax. Look at my core. Okay? आप अगर मेरा थोड़ा सा पेट यहाँ पे ध्यान दोगे, abdomen. So abdomen part is something which is really important when it comes to your workout. आपने देखा होगा जब भी कभी आप स्क्वाट्स करते हो या फिर आप अपना कोई भी वर्कआउट करते हो कोर रिलेटेड, आपके कमर में दर्द होता है कि नहीं? यू फील दैट पेन ऑन योर वेस्ट लाइन और यू नो लोअर बैक, टू बी रियली वेरी ऑनेस्ट. What you need to and what you're supposed to do is look at my abdomen, everyone. You just need to keep it in. हल्का सा अंदर while doing your exercise. रितिका अपना कैमरा ऊपर कर लो बच्चे, अगर आप देख नहीं पा रहे हो तो कैमरा ऊपर कर लीजिए so that you can see me properly, okay? Look at my tummy. Keep your tummy like this, likewise, so that you can manage your abdomen accordingly. Always remember, you have to set your angle straight. और straight line set करने के लिए आपको कुछ adjustments करने पड़ेंगे. This is one of those adjustments. Cool, everyone? I am telling you ways to do it. You guys have to do it. क्योंकि आप अपनी body अपने हाथ से कंट्रोल कर सकते हो. No one else will do it on your behalf. All right? So look at it, guys. अभी normal core है, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया हुआ है. इसको अंदर, हल्का सा अंदर. While doing any exercise, kindly make sure that this part has to be engaged. Cool, everyone? समझ आ गया आपको? धीमे धीमे और समझ में आ जाएगा, चिंता मत करना उस चीज की. Alright? पर अगर बात सुनोगे तो ही समझ में आएगा, नहीं सुनोगे तो ऊपर से जाएगा. ध्यान देना उसका. Alright? Now, coming down to the knee part. Look at my knee, everyone. Many of you might stand like this by keeping your knee pressed up. Don't do that. Alright? Always keep a bit of a softness in your knee. हमेशा अपने knees आप please soft करके रखें like this, so that most pressure should be coming on your muscles, not on your joint. Okay? हल्का सा fold can save your knee in future. All right? Very good job. Now look at my feet, everyone. Keep your feet stable and straight. All right? Do not keep it like this or like this. I know वो कुछ position आपकी ऐसी हो गई होगी, but try to keep it as straight as possible. All right? तो 5 चीजें अभी हमने समझी. From our head to our toe, we have to keep our body straight. Guys, are you okay? Everyone is okay? If you are fine, then only I'll continue. Otherwise, I won't. Please listen to me carefully and please respect this session. Do not respect me. I don't care. Respect this session. That's it. Okay? Last time I'm telling this. Next time I can remove you. ध्यान रखना. Stand straight, everyone. Now, we will adjust our body one more time. Head straight, shoulders back down, relax. Tummy tug in, knee soft, feet in the front. One more time, head straight, shoulders back down, relax. Tummy tug in, very good. Knee soft, feet in the front. ये 5 चीजें while doing any exercise, if you will keep it, you will get the proper posture to work on. Loud and clear to everyone. New people, are you okay? New people, show me your hands up, yeah? Very good, Bhagya Lakshmi. Thank you so much. All right, babies. Now, guys, everyone, thank you so much, baby. Thank you. Everyone, bring your dumbbell or water bottle. And those who don't have anything, be like this normally. परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है. We'll do workout likewise, okay? चलो. Now, people, the very first workout is the combination of 2 exercises, okay? If you want to sit down, please sit down and watch carefully. Sit down, everyone. बैठ जाइए. ये वर्कआउट थोड़ा टफ है, so I want you to watch me carefully first and then we'll do it together. Cool, everyone? Sit down properly. Please mat ले आइएगा अपने because you will be requiring mats for this. Okay? Now, the very first workout is the combination of 2 exercises, which will be your plank and your shoulder press. Shoulder press समझ में आ गया? डंबल आपके हाथ में होता है, up, down and okay. Cool, everyone? तो ये तो एक पार्ट हो गया आपका. Plank किस किस को आता है? Raise your hand and tell me honestly. Honestly, please बताना, please, okay? अगर नहीं आता है तो मैं बताऊंगी आपको, घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. Thank you so much, Tulsi baby. Thank you so much. All right. Bhagya Lakshmi, please sit down, ma'am, so that you can watch me properly. After that, you will do the workout. Do not worry, okay? All right. Chalo. Now watch me carefully. In order to do this exercise, the exercise name is sprawl to shoulder press. Means what? You have to lie down in a plank and then stand up and do the shoulder press. Cool, everyone? अभी समझ में आ जाएगा मैं क्या बात कर रही हूँ. Those who don't have a dumbbell or a water bottle, use your palms properly. You have to open your palms while going down. While coming up, you have to make a fist and do your job. Watch me carefully.
You have to come in a plank position. Now for a plank position, you need to make sure that your palms should be below your shoulder line. Cool everyone? हाथों को shoulder line के नीचे रखना है. पूरी body straight होनी चाहिए. You should not make it a mountain or slouch. Don't do that. Okay? You have to do like this. Alright? Come back up, shoulder, press. Or get down like this. Back up, shoulder, press. Down, up, shoulder, press. Okay? Simple. Simple. Understood, baby? समझ आया आपको? अब इसी के कॉम्बिनेशन में वी हैव टू डू दी वर्कआउट. ऑलराइट? एवरीवन प्लीज स्टैंड अप. डंबल एंड वाटर बॉटल पीपल, वाटर बॉटल प्लीज मेक श्योर कि अगर वाटर बॉटल आप नीचे रखोगे ऐसे तो हो सकता है आपकी बॉटल टूट जाए, क्योंकि प्लैंक उसके सपोर्ट में शायद नहीं किया जा सकता. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू डू इट एम्प्टी हैंडेड. ऑलराइट? ओके पीपल, सो यू नो हाउ इट शुड बी डन. यू हैव टू गेट डाउन लाइक दिस, कम अप, शोल्डर प्रेस. कूल एवरीवन? ऑलराइट, chalo, take your position guys sideways. I want to see everybody's side profile. On my count and start, go. 1, down, up, okay. 2, down, shoulder press up. 3, go, shoulder press up. 4, go, shoulder press up. Good job. 5, move it, shoulder press up. Go. 6, move, shoulder press up. Go. 7, move, shoulder press up. 8, move, shoulder press up. Go. 9, move it, shoulder press. 10, move it. Very good job. Shoulder press. 11, good. Keep your core engaged, everyone. Here your core engagement point comes. 11, go. Yes, up. 12, go, do it fast. Go. 12, 13, yes. Good Indushri, very nice. Keep your core engaged, darling. Core engagement, yeah. 14, and the last 15. Only 15 counts, last 15. So always make sure that your plank has to be crisp. Alright? अब आता है अपना next workout which I told you about. Second variation of workout, which is your plank renegade row. Renegade row. आप में से अगर किसी ने भी या तुहिना मैम का या अर्पिता मैम का अटेंड किया होगा, so you might have done this exercise. Okay? Watch me carefully. Non-dumbbell people, watch me first. पहले non-dumbbell people के लिए, okay? You have to do not do it right now. Do not do it. Just watch. Just watch. Okay. Open your palms properly. Down on your floor. Doing your plank. Now, when you will be making a plank, no, always remember that you need to keep your tummy in. हल्का सा आपका tummy in होना चाहिए. Okay, Ritika? Always make sure that your tummy is supposed to be in. All right. Like this. All right. हाथ shoulder line के नीचे. The renegade row requires you to do arms push up, upwards, arms upwards, arms upwards. Alright? So new people, if you are comfortable doing this, it's okay. Otherwise, just hold on to your plank. कोई बात नहीं. Plank hold भी कर लोगे तो भी चलेगा. पक्का? Alright? Now we'll do the dumbbell part. Alright? You have to come on your position. Renegade row, renegade row, renegade row. Alright? Cool everyone? You have to make sure. And do not move your body. Only your arms will be moving. Rest of the body has to be straight. Ritika, do not raise your hand like अभी. जो ये बात करेंगे क्लास के बाद, okay? जो भी आपका सवाल होगा, I'll take after the class, okay? Thank you. Cool everyone? चलो आप पोजीशन पे, सबको ही आओ. Come fast, come fast. We have less time now. Excuse me. Alright guys. Come up. Come in a plank position, arms below your shoulder line. Keep your tummy in, keep your body straight. On my count, start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, हेमा. 9, go. 13, 14, आराम से करो. 15, 16, 17. Nancy, show me your side profile, darling. I cannot see you properly. Side profile दिखाओ अपना मुझे. 18, 19, 20, 21. Good. 22. Very good, Pragati. 23, 24, 25. Good job. 26, 27, 28. Good job. 29. Good job. Vani ma'am, nice. And the last 30. Ritika, 30 complete होने के बाद आपने रुकना है. Try करना next time, okay? People with the leg issue. किस किस को यहाँ पे leg issue है? Please raise your hand. किसी को यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है टांगों में? यस. कृतिका मैम प्लीज ध्यान दीजिएगा क्योंकि ये वाला वर्कआउट थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लमैटिक है. ओके. तुलसी मैम प्लीज ध्यान दीजिएगा. अगर आपको लगे तो आप कंटिन्यू कीजिएगा तुलसी मैम, अदरवाइज यू कैन टेक रेस्ट. सेम गोज टू कृतिका मैम. ओके. क्योंकि ये टांगों की वाट लगा देता है. ओके. एवरीवन, इफ यू वांट यू कैन ब्रिंग योर पिलोस नाउ. जल्दी पिलो लेके आइए. ओके, जल्दी. Excuse me. Now, the next exercise. Now there is no job of dumbbell. Leave your dumbbell behind. It's okay. Okay. You have to curl your toes up like this. Place pillow beneath your knee. All right. Knees के नीचे अपने pillow रखिएगा. This workout is known as knee to squat position. Knee to squat position. So what you need to do, if you want, you can keep your arms like this. Or if you want, you can keep your arms like this. However you want to do it. You have to come in a squat position, get down on your knee. Come in a squat position, down on your knee. Come, down, come and down. अभी नहीं रचना, अभी कर रहे हो किसने बोला है? बैठो, बैठ जाओ. समझ आ रहा है सबको? मोनिका, यादव, आराम से करना बेटा. ओके, आराम आराम से. गाइस, गो स्लो. रितिका, आराम से बेबी. ट्राई करो, बने तो ठीक, नहीं बनेगा तो रुक जाना. ओके, कूल. सेकेंड, थर्ड वर्कआउट एवरीवन. टेक योर पोजिशन. ऑन माय काउंट, shoulders down, tummy in, core engage, back fold. Okay, on my count, start moving. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. रितिका हाथ कमर पे रख लो बेटा. 13, कमर पे हाथ रख बच्चे. 14, go go go. 15, 16, कैमरा ऑफ कर जल्दी. 17, भाग्यलक्ष्मी मैम प्लीज क्लोज द कैमरा इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग इट. ओके. 18, 19, 20, 5, 4, 3, 2, and the last one. Relax. Last set for this workout. Take your position. On my count and start. Go. 25, 24. Okay. मोनिका ये नहीं करना है, प्रॉपर स्क्वाट पोजीशन में ऊपर आने का है. डीप स्क्वाट नहीं करना, ऊपर तक आओ. Go. 23, 22, 21. मोनिका गलत करे बच्चे. 20. Yes. 19. Go go go. Yes. 18. Go. 17. कृतिका मैम आराम से. ओके. 16. 15. Good Pooja Verma. Very good job. 14. 13. Very good. 12. 11. 10. आराम से करो पद्मजा. Go slow baby. You have to go in a squat position. ध्यान रखना, खड़े नहीं होना है, स्क्वाट करना है. ओके. Knee to squat is the name. Yeah. Very good. 8, 7, 6. Good job. 5. Okay. प्रगति गलत कर रहे हो बच्चे. Stop. 4, 3, 2, and the last one. Ritika रुक जा बच्चे, रुक जा. Bring your dumbbells or water bottle. Okay. Stand up everyone. जल्दी से last workout खत्म करते हैं जल्दी. Okay. All right. Good job. Hold on to this. Okay. You have to go side and box your dumbbell. Just side, box, side, box. Do not jump. Just go side to side and box. Okay. Chalo, take your position jaldi se, guys. And those who don't have dumbbell or water bottle, you can make a fist and then do it. Fist bana karke you can continue. Okay. On my count, take your position and start. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. प्रगति पैर गलत जा रहे बेटा तुम्हारे. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Okay? Cool? Yeah. So from top means your shoulders and arms, and to your legs you have worked on it. Cool, everyone? Good job. Take your shoes off. We'll do a nice cool down. Just give me 30 seconds, and after that we'll take your questions. Just a second, now. I need to speak to. Just a second. Tuhina ma'am. Just a second. All right. Let's go. Take your position, guys. We'll do a nice cool down. खड़े हो जाइए, जूते उतार लीजिए अपने अपने. Okay? Very good. Last workout was good. I will say good. But after, how you can, prepare yourself for good and much more, I will tell you after the class.
Amazing workout, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
sir.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Actually, my left knee is hurting very badly. From
Sorry?
4 days, my left knee is, I was not able to walk also.
Ma'am, please get yourself checked, for God's sake. You are having every single now and then you are having something with your legs. I think you need to get yourself checked now. Because doing these kind of a workout or any workout for that matter, and if you are keep on doing it with that kind of an injury, you are getting nowhere, darling. Get yourself checked, please. Aaj hi ke aaj jaake. Okay? Thank you so much.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Who's next?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have that ingrown nail. That's why I'm not able to do some like workouts, like toe curl and all that. It's not healing only, and doctor has asked me to get it removed. So
प्लीज रिमूव करवा लो. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, कोई बात नहीं. वो अब बढ़ जाएगा. मेरे साथ भी हुआ है.
it has infection right now. ना antibiotics मेरा कोर्स अभी खत्म हुआ नहीं है, इसलिए I'm not, वो स्पीड में पेस में नहीं हो पाता मुझसे, स्पेशली जो
आराम
टो
से
के
करो. तो बेटा करना तो पड़ेगा ही आपको. निकलवा लो उसको, ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. ऐसे में आप कहाँ तक चल पाओगे? ऐसे में आपका
नहीं, वो
और प्रॉब्लम. अनम्यूट करो रितिका बेबी खुद को. अनम्यूट. या बेबी टेल मी व्हाट्स अप. Say it. I cannot hear you, darling. I cannot hear you.
जो आपने प्लैंक वाली एक्सरसाइज करवाई थी ना, वो नहीं हुई. उसमें ना हैंड शेक होने लग जाते हैं.
हो गए बेटा, इसलिए तो आए हो. क्यों आए हो यहाँ पे आप?
नहीं मैम, कर दो.
बच्चे
जितना मुझसे होता है ना उतना मैं कर लेती हूँ.
10 सेकंड जितना कर सकते हो उतना कर लो. कोई बात नहीं. 5 सेकंड हो गया, 10 सेकंड हो गया, ऐसे खिंच के आपकी बॉडी सेट हो जाएगी. ओके बेटा, आप ही का आपके बेनिफिट की बात चल रही है इधर. अदरवाइज देयर इज नो पॉइंट. ऑलराइट, सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, आई अंडरस्टैंड पेन बहुत होता है. मेरी मम्मी को भी होता है. मेरी मम्मी को भी अर्थराइटिस है. उनको तो घुटने भी चेंज हो गए. आई अंडरस्टैंड. बट इसको सही करने का जिम्मा किसका है? करो. ओके, हर चीज का सीधा सॉल्यूशन है गाइस. डू इट. ज्यादा घुमाने फिराने की जो हम बंदियों की आदत होती ना, बात इधर से लेकर के उधर फेंकते हैं, वो नहीं करने का. डू नॉट डू दैट. ओके, सिंपल सा फंडा है, लॉजिकल है. यूज योर लॉजिक, डू योर वर्कआउट. दैट्स इट. ओके अनीता मैम, आराम से करो. मैं फोर्स वैसे भी नहीं करती आपको. आराम से करते जाओ. बट हाँ, जहां पे मुझे लैकनेस दिखेगा वहां मैं आपको पॉइंट आउट करूंगी. ओके, सो रेगुलर रहना, बस ये है. चाहे मेरा करो चाहे किसी और का सेशन करो, रेगुलर रहना बस. ओके,
नहीं करूंगी तो आपका ही करूंगी मैम, किसी और का तो नहीं होगा.
आराम से, बस इतना है. आराम से करो. ओके, थैंक यू.
लेकिन मैम
हाँ जी,
एक महीने में काफी रिजल्ट मिला है.
आपको रिजल्ट मिला है रंदी मैम?
मैम आपका आवाज कट रहा है, निधि मैम आपका आवाज कट
मेरा लिवर थर्ड स्टेज पे था, सेकंड पर आ गया।
अरे वाह, क्या बात है,
मेरा
क्या बात है, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड, लव इट, कांग्रेचुलेशंस मैम। अब अपने आप को फोर्स करते जाइए निधि मैम, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा अपने आप को आपको पुश करना पड़ेगा, आपका बहुत सही हो जाएगा, ठीक है। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी नाइस, बहुत अच्छा आपका जा रहा है। 3 months में अगर आप 4 kg लूज कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है आपका, ओके।
It's very slow, but I mean
कोई
I
बात नहीं है, आराम से, कभी भी खुद को फोर्स नहीं करना। फोर्स तब करो जब आपका एकदम ही मन शैटर हो जाए कि यार अब नहीं हो रहा, तो अपने आप को पुश करना। अदरवाइज टेक योर टाइम एंड डू इट एज पर दैट, ओके। आराम से करो, चलो के करो, वेरी गुड जॉब, कांग्रेचुलेशंस, होप यू कंटिन्यू दिस वे, या।
yes plank ठीक हुआ था क्योंकि मैं लास्ट टाइम ठीक से नहीं की थी
प्लैंक, हाँ, थोड़ा सा आपका शेकी हो रहा था बिकॉज यू वर पुशिंग योरसेल्फ अप लाइक दिस, राइट। तो उसमें आपको अपना बॉडी मैनेज करना होता है, जितना बॉडी हिलेगा उतना बॉडी प्रॉब्लम करता है, अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, ओके। आराम से करो, चलो के करो, या।
Hi, I'm Swati. I started taking Zyrax classes since a week. To be frank, I have been exercising my whole life. Like I used to have dance exercise by myself, but it was getting a bit bored. Like I myself can't do it, and sometimes I find reasons to skip it. But when I came upon Zyrax, so I was a bit skeptical at first, but once I started attending the sessions, it felt like I have a group of like-minded people who want to exercise daily, and having an instructor helped a lot. Like even if she pushes the limits, like I have been taking Miss Harshita's class, so she was very helpful and very energetic. Even she encourages a lot, and even when I'm tired and I couldn't move forward for 1 hour session, she helps me a lot and keeps on encouraging, come on, just one more. And it felt like I could do it just for 1 hour, and they have the flexible hours, like not just 1 hour a day. They have many sessions by different trainers, and where we can choose, as because usually I do not have much time in the mornings, so based on my timings, when if I have to have a session, if I'd like to have a session in the evening, I can take it, or if I'd like to have session in the morning, I can take it. So it's very flexible, and that's what I like the most. So I would recommend Zyrax for everyone. And it's they just don't have just Zumba, they have yoga, Bollywood dance, and full body workout, and having a 1 hour daily workout helps a lot to keep us flexible and energetic throughout the day.
Hi everyone, I am a participant from the Zyrex team. Okay, I have joined Zyrex in March 25, and I have been a working professional continuous with a sitting job. I do the sessions at around 6 o'clock with Tuhina. It has been a life-changing experience till now. The entire team of Zyrex is so connected. Okay, and the beauty of Zyrex is you can go for any of the batches. Okay, you get individual informations about when is the session, what they will be teaching in that session. I generally do at 6 o'clock while I wind up my office, and that is the moment I wait for the entire day to happen. Okay, so I do it with Tuhina. She is a wonderful coach. She has been continuously training me since 3 months. I have lost a lot of inches, and I would any which ways recommend going for Zyrex, because this is where you take out your time. This is the me time. And the team has been doing a fantastic work in communication, in everything. Okay, you put up a query in case you are not able to join because of some issue. They help you and they understand your concern. Okay, just rather than saying it's okay, you are not able to join and all. Okay, they have a specific timetable what they will be doing on Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesdays. So they focus on the entire body, and it's not just about the video. Okay, just you're looking at the video and doing it. The instructors that are there check each and every posture of yours. They will say Okay, you just have to turn on your camera, follow the instructor, and in case you are not able to follow, you can put up in that comments that, ma'am, can you please teach us once again? So she will correct it, she will teach. Okay, and in case you are new joiners, they will suggest some new exercises that you can do, okay, without just after the warm up you can do. In case it is not possible for you to do a lot of crunches and all, they will suggest you just please do this, try this and that, everything. It's so friendly, and it has been a fantastic journey till now, and I am sure I will be continuing it, and I have referred a lot of my friends over there. Okay, so it has been life changing for everyone. So it is my pleasure to be a part of Zyrex family. Thank you so much, and with lots of love to Tuhina. Thank you.
Hello, I just want to share my experience with Zyrex. I maybe look exhausted because I just finished my exercise with Nikita ma'am class. Zyrex diet chart and the classes are top notch, and I have lost 5 kgs in just 3 months. I have my wedding, that's why I joined Zyrex. I feel so motivated, energetic after joining the class, and the diet charts which follow the health, which help me to follow the healthy lifestyles. Thank you, Zyrex.
Hi everyone, this is Archana. I want to share a feedback on Zyrex Fitness. I have joined Zyrex Fitness approximately 1 month ago, and yes, it's very nice program. This is an online one, and it gives you flexibility to join multiple sessions throughout the day as per your preferred timings. They offer different programs like Zumba, dance fitness, volley fitness, Tabata, and other sort of workouts. And yes, they also provide the personalized diet plans which actually help you. So these things, the workouts, the plans, the diet, this has helped me. I have lost approximately 2 kgs in this 1 month. Thanks specifically to Rishika ma'am. The way she helps us out understanding the workouts, like the details, etc., and how to perform those workouts. So yes, Zyrex is doing a good job, and thumbs up to the entire Zyrex Fitness team. Keep it up. Yeah, thank you.